What is up? Here again with the backyard review. Now let's get to it. This power knob's from Jigging World. It's a full handle, one piece with a nice big round power knob. The reason why I'm upgrading to a power knob is I want to have a good grip and more turning power with the power knob to pull in the fish. This is just a comparison of the power knob and the ballistic handle. You can see it's much bigger, so you can grab onto that, reel it in. To install the power knob is very simple. You just unscrew the handle and just screw the power knob on. And there you go. Now there you have it, the power knob's installed. Thank you for watching Backyard Reviews.